stuck, give them a shout. They'll be there to help you out. Fireman Sam is on the way with the rescue team. Sam is gonna save the day with the rescue team, 'cause they're brave to the core. They are the heroes next door.
So today, Bronwyn and I are going to teach you all how to sail.
Yay! So come on, crew. Let's get into our boats and head out to sea. Yay!
Now, watch carefully how I handle the tiller.
Oh, look! That seagull is following us.
Peter, you're supposed to be watching the tiller.
Oh, but he looks hungry.
Now, watch carefully how I
I
handle...
wonder if he likes fish scraps.
Okay, kids. The tiller on a boat is how we steer. When I move the tiller, it turns the boat left
Wow!
and right.
Did you
like a
see that?
steering wheel.
He caught it in midair.
Oh, no! Oh, we were watching Dad and the tiller. Oh, do it again.
Okay.
Oh!
Wait, what about the tiller?
Woo! Yeah!
Excuse me, hello? Oh, as I was saying, this is how you handle the tiller.
When an animal is in distress, you need to make sure that it's securely in the harness. Now, Ellie, would you operate the hoist, please?
Penny,
Yes, Elvis?
can I just say that it's really important to keep the horse calm, isn't it, Penny?
Well, yes, Elvis. It is when you're dealing with a real horse.
I'm really good at keeping animals calm. Can I show you how, Penny, please?
Oh, okay.
Oh, yes! One very good way to calm a horse is to speak softly to it and give it a treat. Hello, pretend horsey. Would you like a pretend carrot? Oh, good horsey.
Thank you, Elvis. Excellent. Now, Ellie, if you'd like to operate the...
Oh, you ate that carrot quickly, horsey. But don't worry, I've got another one. Yum, 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 yum. Right, lesson 2, the jib.
Sorry, Charlie.
Do it again, Peter!
Okay.
No, wait,
Oh, wow! Oh, that was brilliant, Peter!
Right, okay. Let's forget about learning to sail and feed the seagull instead.
Oh, yeah!
I've got some fish bait too. Watch this. Hey, seagull, over here. Oh.
Sorry, Charlie.
Charlie, maybe you need to get closer to the seagull.
Yes, I was just going to do that. Hey, seagull, come and get it.
Charlie, your tiller! Watch out!
Oh!
Oh, no! Now we can't steer the boat.
Sorry. Oh, such a good calm horsey.
That's okay. Whenever you think that pretend horse is ready, just give me a pretend signal.
Elvis, you've already given the horse pretend sugar, a pretend apple, and some pretend hay. Can we get on with the drill now, please?
Okay, Penny. Just one more thing. You can also calm a horse by telling them a story. Once upon a time, there was a lovely horsey who lived in a lovely green field. But
This sounds like it's going to be a long story.
So he could see in the next field there were some buttercups.
Right. The mast is snapped and the tiller is broken. Looks like we won't be doing any more sailing today.
I'd better signal for help. Oh, where's the flag? Right.
Charlie, the seagull thinks you've got more food.
Oh!
Dad, you set fire to Mum's boat!
Sorry.
Oh, quick, Peter. I think we'd better abandon boat.
Hey! Why do you... What are you trying to say? Is something wrong? There's a fire out at sea. Better call the rescue team.
And all the horses lived happily ever after. Okay, Ellie, now she's ready.
At last! Now we can get on with this drill.
A seagull has told Ben that 2 skiffs are in distress at sea and 1 is on fire.
A seagull has told Ben that 2 skiffs are in distress at sea and 1 is on fire. And I thought it was Elvis who could talk to the animals.
Oh, the wind keeps blowing us back into it.
Oh, here comes help. Look, it's the rescue team. Thanks, Sam.
Okay, everyone, stay calm while we get you safely onto Neptune. Should I tell them a story? I'm clear.
I'm sorry I wasn't paying attention to the lesson and that I put Charlie off his sailing.
And I'm sorry too. I wanted to show that I could feed the seagull as well. And I got a bit carried away. You always need to pay close attention to safety when you're near the water, especially when you're out at sea.
We know.
Yes, and it's probably best not to feed wild animals. Sorry, Gully.
That seagull looks like it needs calming down, Elvis. Oh, right you are, Sam. Right, calm down, little birdie. It'll be okay. Would you like me to tell you a story? Once upon a time, there was a lovely seagull who lived on a lovely island in a lovely nest.
I hope this is shorter than the horsey story.
Every day, he liked to go out to sea because that's where he found his breakfast. So, he flew out to sea and he was hovering above, but there was no fish.